Hello everybody and welcome to Sean Repairs Tag. Today I'm doing a proof of concept, really proof of something something's going to work. Basically during lockdown, some of the places I work for were given a lot of these laptops. They're Dell 3190s. They're fine for a bit of office work, a bit of browsing, everything like that. They are Windows 11 compatible except for the storage. They don't come with potential to expand the storage. We'll put SSDs. They've got little 64 gig inbuilt storage chips on them. So the Windows 11 compatible, except storage is too small. Doing a bit of research, and I opened one of these up one day. I saw there is a possibility to install a SSD port on them, an NVMe M.2 port. So I thought, rather than buying a load of new laptops, can I put a port on? Will it work? Now I've done it with this, and it worked. I've done one. I bought the ports from AliExpress. They're about 48 pence each. I tested it with one and it works. So I'm gonna do another one. Hopefully I'll get the same results. If it does, then booyah. Then I might pull it to the place I work for and say, let's buy a load of these because it'll be it'll be a minor part of the price of buying a whole load of new laptops because we've got a lot of these. They work well. They do work. It does work well. So I'm gonna go through it again. Hopefully I can do it again. It wasn't a one-off fluke. So. So if I switch to a microscope, get this in the center of my screen. There we go. You see, we've got SSD. We've got a port there. If I can get any bought off AliExpress, 48 pence a port. So go full screen. There we go. Let's turn it like that so I've got some access. Come on. Here we go. Let's get it. There we go. So the first one took a bit of time, but I got it on there. So if you can see this, but you've got feet and you've got the holes for them to go in, so it does sit very easily. And we go. That's in. Ooh, edge that. Make sure they all line up okay. With my tweezers, it's an issue, but Let's just make sure it's on okay. Here we go. So that's on, that looks good. So get my soldering iron up to temperature. So I want to do the anchors first. Do the anchors there and there. Once they're in place, it should be relatively simple to, he says. I'm full of optimism. Oh, I did tin it. I did tin my okay. Shakes. Work with the shakes. Let's move this over a bit. Slipped out of those holes. There we go. Oh, I fluxed it. Flux on it first. Go on, clumsy as it, don't worry, I'm tired. Fireworks going off last night. Oh, flux straight up. Come on. C to the K. Okay. I'm being clumsy today. Okay, let's go through the. So I'm just going to push down on. So I'm not going to use hot air because this is just a plastic. Bridge that one. Okay, let's take some more. Because this is a plastic port, I don't want to. I don't want to use hot air. I could use it from underneath, but I'm not gonna. Better just. Okay, yes, more flaps. Oh, come on. bridge. Okay. And a bit of a bridge there. Okay. Making sure these are all connected okay. I want to make sure there's no possibility of movement. Okay. Just go over them again. Make sure they're properly connected. Soldering iron's a bit sensitive. Goes to sleep if it doesn't feel movement, so I need to probably adjust the sleep timer on it. Just gonna go over them again just to make sure they're properly connected. A lot of people always say it's not worth it, but if I can try and save the place I work for money, then I'm sure it'll. Budgets are so tight in education, it's just madness, it really is. I'm not going to get into politics or anything like that. Okay. So go flip. We are over here. Okay. Okay. Do the same again. So create a bit more room. Need to sort it in my workshop. Okay. Put it into view so you can see it. Try and not hit the plastic with my soldering iron. I think this is actually going. I'm not going to attempt it. Actually, no, I'm not saying it. Not saying it. Right. Have I actually done anything? Where are we? Come on. Where's the port? Okay, we've got a couple of bridges. There's a couple of bridges that I need. Are those actually touching? They don't look like they are, do they? Is the footing? Yeah, foot's in. Okay. Closer. Okay. This one here. Another look. Okay, still some ridges. Okay. More flex. More flex on there. Itch. Oh, I think they are touching, yeah. I can't see. I have to clean it off. Just go over them again. And then I'll turn the light off a bit. So is that a... Okay. Okay. Over there. Okay. Turn around. Turn around. Every now and then. Okay. Hopefully there. I'm just going to see if any of these move. They're soldered properly. I'll just get a bit more on the subject, not too much. I'm not going to YOLO it. Oh, that's not on. Oh, which one was it again? So a lot of these aren't. So if I just go through over this lot. If I don't want to touch the plastic, it feels shorter than the other ones. Touching the plastic, it's not end of the world. It won't affect anything. It's just don't want to do it unless I can avoid it. This curved tweezer instead. Any of these touching? That one is. That's that one there. Okay, they look like they're all done right. Flip them aloft, because that was more painful than it was last time. Let's give this a clean. Or does it explode? It comes on. Does it boot? Boot. I don't know if you can see very well. The SSD was being recognized, and we've got the solid circle of Windows 11. Even bigger solid. Crystal disk mark. This writes good speeds, but they'll do the job, which is all I care about. Otherwise it goes off. There we go. It's going to sleep. It's all I care about. So I'm happy with that. That seems to be working. Like I say, I'll do a couple. I'll put these out into circulation, and yeah, and hopefully they'll do the job, and we won't need to spend too much money on replacing these, and they can just be used. It's just ridiculous that so much tech is going to be put into e-waste because of the requirements of Windows 11, but hopefully we can help with that a little bit. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. So I'll put the link to the M.2s from AliExpress in the description. So yeah, if you want to do the same, then go for it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. I'll see you soon.